How to send money to Ecuador from a bank account in the UK. Just follow this simple procedure. First, find and install the Moneyto money transfer app. Tap your PIN code to access the app. Select the option Send Money. Select the country where you need to send money, in our case is Ecuador, and then press Cash. You can also send money to Ecuador to a bank account. Just select the option Bank Account. Choose the city where you need to send money, and the service point from the list. Enter the amount you would like to send and press Next. Fill the information regarding the receiver, the first name, the last name, and the phone number. Choose the purpose of transaction. Please agree with Moneyto's terms and conditions. Now select the bank card you will pay the money transfer. If you have used our service before, you can choose to pay with a saved card. Otherwise, please enter your card details. Please wait while the app is processing the payment. Do not close this window. You see on the screen your transaction ID and other details of the transfer. Please send it to the recipient. At the end, please rate our app. Thank you very much for using Moneyto money transfer app.